Right, these problems get a little bit more complicated. So I'm going to write down a couple steps we're going to follow to simplify these. First step is we're going to simplify the square root. Just like we were doing on the first page. We're going to simplify the square root part. Then from there, next step is to factor the numerator, if possible. And the third step is to cancel factors if possible. On the top and bottom. So these other steps might or might not happen, 2 and 3, but the first step we will have to do. So first step for number 10 is to go ahead and factor or simplify the square root of 28. So 28, I'm going to write down our factors of 28. We got 1 and 28, 2 and 14, 4 and 7. So out of all of those factors, the only one that's a perfect square is 4. So we can rewrite square root of 28. Everything else is going to stay the same. But we're going to have square root of 4 times square root of 7 all over 6. So we want to put that perfect square out front. And then from there, we're going to simplify square root of 4. That's just going to be 2. So we have 8 minus 2 times the square root of 7 over 6. Right. Common mistake, people try and subtract these, but we can't do that because the 2 is being multiplied by the square root of 7. Right? Order of operations say multiplication has to happen before subtraction. Excuse me. So we can't do that. All right. Second step, after we simplify the square root, factor the numerator. Look at these two terms. We have 8 and 2 square root of 7. Can we take anything out of those two? Well, yeah, 2 goes into both of those. So we can divide each of those by 2. So 8 divided by 2, we get 4. Negative 2 square root of 7 divided by 2, we just get negative square root of 7. And then our last step is to cancel factors on the top and the bottom. So once we have numbers factored out, we can look at this number, this 2 and the 6, and see, can we cancel those out? Can we simplify that? And 2 goes into each of these. So we can divide this by 2, which just gives us 1. Divide that by 2, that gives us 3. So our final answer is 4 minus the square root of 7 all over 3.